Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to control your AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. Right here I have my AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. You want to make sure it's connected to your phone. So once it's connected to your phone, just go to settings and then go to your AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation settings. Now here, these three sections right here is all your controls for the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. So first you have the noise control, which you can turn off, or you can have transparency mode. You can have adaptive mode, and you can also have noise cancellation mode. And then underneath that you have what press and hold on the AirPods does. For me, I have it to noise cancellation because personally I don't really use Siri that much on my AirPods. So when I press and hold my left earpod, it will change the noise cancellation mode. So it will cycle between transparency mode and noise cancellation mode, which is the two modes that I want to cycle through, because really and truly I don't really use adaptive mode and I don't want the noise management to be off. It's either transparency mode or noise cancellation personally. So when I press and hold, it switch between noise cancellation and transparency mode. And then same for the left side. I do the same for the left side. You can either have it as Siri or noise control, but I change it to noise control because that's what I use mostly. But you could always change this to Siri, just that side, and then you could also just put it back to noise cancellation if you want. But for me, that's what I have. And then underneath that you have call controls. So for me, I have press once will answer the call, and then press once also with mute and unmute the microphone on the AirPods. And then to end the call, I have it to double tap. And then to end the call, I have it as press twice, which I think is more natural. But that's just for me personally. But if you change end call to press once, just note that the mute and unmute will change to press twice. You can't have these two to be the same. So if I change but mute and unmute to be press once, you see end call will go to press twice. I just believe pressing twice is the best way to go about ending a call. And that's pretty much it for the controls on the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. I mean, you do have the head gesture, which you shake your head left and right to decline calls or reject messages, and you can shake your head up and down to answer or accept messages. So that's just the head gestures right there, which you can always change around if you want. You can change accept and reply to actually be side to side, and decline and dismiss to be up and down. It all depends on how you want to do it. As you can see right there, you can't have it to be the same gestures. So one has to be side to side and one has to be up and down. So, and also one more control that you do have, if you go to your control center and press and hold on the volume right here, you can change your settings right here also. So you can change it to off, transparency, adaptive, or noise cancellation. It's just another way for you to change it. I believe in the control center it's way more easier for you to do. And you also have, like, you can turn off conversation awareness or you can turn it on. And then you have spatial audio, which you can only turn on whenever you're listening to a music. So let's go ahead and play some music. And if you press and hold now, you can see you can control your spatial audio. You can have ed track, you can have fix, or you can just turn it off. Personally, I like ed track, but some people might find that to be really distracting, so you can just use that as fix or off. There's no controls for you to like actually turn up your headset or turn down your headset. You know how on the AirPods Pro 2 you can swipe on those stems? You don't have that option on the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. So that's just one thing to note. So that's been it for this video, guys. Let me know if this video was helpful down below in the comment section, and also leave any questions that you have about how to control the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. Like the video if it was helpful to you, and also subscribe to this channel for more videos on the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. And also subscribe because we're almost at 5,000 subscribers and I want to get to 5,000 subscribers before the end of November. So subscribe so we can get to 5,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.